This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Pull the hood release lever located on the driver's side kick panel. Lift the hood safety latch and raise the hood upwards, then support it with the prop rod. Loosen the cable bolt, then disconnect the negative battery cable from the terminal. Secure the cable aside to prevent accidental reconnection. Apply the handbrake. Chock the rear wheels to prevent the vehicle from rolling. Pry off the wheel trim caps. Loosen the front wheel lug nuts. Then jack up the front of the car and support it on jack stands. Remove the appropriate front wheel. Working under the vehicle, clearly label the starter motor wires. Unscrew the nuts and disconnect the wires from the terminals on the starter motor and solenoid. Remove the flywheel inspection plate. Unfasten and remove the starter motor bracket from the front of the starter and engine block. Remove the bolt fastening the ground wire to the rear of the starter motor solenoid. Unscrew the starter motor mounting bolts. Before fully dismounting the starter motor, disconnect the electrical connector and reposition the interfering wire harness to allow the starter to be easily lowered out of the engine. Remove the starter motor. Install the starter motor. Tighten the mounting bolts securely. Reconnect the electrical connector that was previously disconnected. Install the ground wire and mounting bolt to the rear of the starter solenoid and tighten the bolt securely. Install the starter motor bracket. Tighten the fasteners securely. Reconnect the electrical connections to the correctly noted terminals on the starter motor. Tighten the nuts on the wiring securely. Remove the tape that was used to identify the wiring. Install the flywheel inspection plate and tighten the bolts securely. Install the front wheel and lug nuts. Lower the car to the ground and tighten the wheel lug nuts to the specified torque setting. Install the wheel trim caps, applying firm pressure to secure them in place. Connect the negative battery cable to the terminal and tighten the bolts securely.